Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Freshdesk AI to automate workflows for customer service, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Freshdesk AI for automating workflows in customer service, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin settings from the left sidebar. Look for the AI section in the admin panel. Click on AI to access the AI configuration settings. Next, select the Automations tab within the AI settings. Here, you can view the pre-built automation workflows. To create a new workflow, click on the New Automation button. You will be prompted to name your automation for easy identification. Begin configuring the trigger for your workflow. Select an event that will initiate the automation, such as a ticket creation or an incoming email. After defining the trigger, proceed to set the conditions for your workflow. Conditions help specify when the automation should proceed, such as ticket priority or status. Once your conditions are in place, move on to define the actions that the automated workflow will take. Actions can include sending replies, assigning tickets, or updating fields. Utilize the built-in templates for common actions to simplify your process. If needed, you can set up multiple actions to execute in sequence. Preview your automation workflow to verify that all components are correctly set. After confirming the details, click Save to activate the automation. Next, go back to the AI settings to explore additional AI capabilities. Consider enabling the Smart Reply feature to automate responses based on customer inquiries. To do this, navigate to the Smart Reply section and enable the feature. Review the training data that will be used to enhance response accuracy. Feel free to add any specific phrases or keywords that are relevant to your business. Once you've configured Smart Reply, move on to set up Customer Insights. This feature allows the AI to analyze customer behavior and preferences. Enable Customer Insights and define the metrics that matter most to your business. Collaborate with your team to identify key points for analysis, such as response times and customer satisfaction. After all settings are configured, conduct tests to ensure workflows are operating smoothly. Create a few test tickets to observe how the AI responds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.